Got him, dropped him. Nice shot, buddy.
Have you ever struggled with hunting elk? Have you spent hours upon hours hiking in the mountains? I've been in your shoes. It just seems like you can't find elk. Well, for years and years of experience between myself, Travis, and the rest of our family, we've created the perfect formula. From elk behavior to hunting herd bulls.
Perfect shot.
There's a little information of everything.
Freaking stud. Thank you, Lord. So blessed.
And it doesn't matter what terrain, from wide open plains to even the desert. I feel like what separates us from the others is we have perfected the tactics in harvesting those big herd bulls.
That's the best bull you've ever killed.
And so I highly recommend checking out Elk Hunting Masterclass from Stuck N The Rut. I promise you're not going to regret it.